The future of women. Will humanoid female robots replace real women? Hello, and welcome to our video about the future of women. Today, we will discuss whether humanoid female robots will replace real women in the future. Humanoid female robots are becoming more advanced and sophisticated each year. With the latest advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, it's possible that we will see a future where these robots are more common than real women. But what does this mean for real women? Will they be replaced by robots that are more efficient, intelligent, and, most importantly, obedient? Some people argue that humanoid female robots can be a great solution for men who are unable to find a partner. These robots are programmed to fulfill all of a man's needs, and they don't have the same demands as real women. However, there are others who argue that the idea of replacing real women with robots is problematic. Real women are more than just companions. They have their own thoughts, feelings, and desires. They are not objects that can be programmed to obey commands. Moreover, the rise of humanoid female robots may have negative implications for society as a whole. It could reinforce harmful gender stereotypes and create an even wider gender gap. As technology continues to evolve, we must ensure that it is used for the betterment of society and not to harm or marginalize individuals or groups. In conclusion, while humanoid female robots may be an exciting technological development, we must be cautious about the implications they may have for the future of women. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video.